Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how I make my pepper pot soup. Well, I'll be using some Grace callaloo in the can because I can't get any fresh callaloo right now and my feel for some pepper pot soup, so I just use what I have. Okay. So I'll list the ingredients in the description below. So I'm gonna make some cornmeal dumplings for the soup. So now it's time to peel all these carrots and Cho Cho, yam, potato, turnip, Dashine. So I peel them and put them into some cold water so that the colors will stay nice and bright and vibrant. I speed up this section so that the video won't be too long. So that's the food prep, and now it's time to start cooking. So I added some garlic and pimento seed. Then I had my yellow yam and Dashine, some dumplings. Now I'm adding the turnip, carrot, and Cho Cho to the pot. Give it a stir. There it is. Then I drop in the corn. Alright, so it's coming together nicely. Cover your pot and let it boil. So now it's time to add our okra. Give it a stir. Right. So now we add our scallion, thyme, and a good Scotch bonnet pepper to our soup. Alright, and let it continue cooking. Well, as I told you earlier, I'll be using the Grace canned callaloo. So this is already cooked, so we had it close to the end when the soup almost finished cooking. Okay, so here we go. Stir it in. Then I added my soup mix and stir it in. Then some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And then you taste your pot, and if you need to add a little salt, you can add a little salt to taste. So I just let it cook down for about 5 more minutes, and then our pepper pot soup will be ready. Well, this is a nice meatless soup that I do enjoy. So here it is. Pepper pot soup is ready. Okay, I just improvised and used what I have, and it come out pretty good. Looks good, and I have everything in it that I need to be in my pepper pot. That's it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, comment, like, and subscribe. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.